Hindi ako nagsusuot ng mga mamahalin just because para magyabang. Whether it is small or big, it's a milestone. It's a reflection of ano nga ba yung mga challenges na nalampasan mo. As a woman, how does your jewelry symbolizes your strength and confidence? For me, when I wear my jewelry, it's not just getting dressed. I'm making a statement. It's a proof. It's a proof na parang from my first big paycheck or a simple gift sa sarili ko na na-achieve ko yung isang bagay na pinagdasal ko. At the same time, my jewelry, whether it is small or big, it's a milestone. It's my status symbol. Milestone siya kasi kung dati na nagsisimula ka pala magtrabaho, feeling mo maliit man, hindi mo pa rin kaya. Pero dahil unti-unti ka nagsumikap sa lahat ng mga bagay na gusto mong marating, nakakabili ka na whether it's big or small. It's a reflection of ano nga ba yung mga challenges na nalampasan mo. Kada alahas, parang halimbawa yung suot ko ngayon, ito, like this one, meron ako nito when I had Gina Jewels, di ba? Kagaya ng sing-sing ko, di ba? Nakasold tayo for the company ng sobrang laki na multi-million peso and they give me a gift. Di ba lahat yan? Meron siyang storya na bubuo. They remind me talaga of what are the challenges that I surpassed. Kung iisipin mo, it's a reminder of you have it all now dahil sa nagpakatatag ka. Because of your resilience, because of your courage, because of the love of the everything that you do, because of your faith in God na mararating at mararating mo anuman yung pinangarap mo. Hindi ako nagsusuot ng mga mamahalin just because para magyabang or to brag. I wear them because I know my worth dahil lahat ng yan ay pinaghirapan at pinagdaanan ko. I know that I earned the place on my table. Kaya everything or every jewelry piece that I wear, mapa-silver pa yan, mapa-gold pa yan, mapa-diamonds pa yan, mapa-gemstones pa yan, or even a fashion jewelry. For me, it symbolizes my strength, my resilience, my courage, and of course, abundance na blessing ni Lord. So, yun lang. Sana meron kayong makuha sa akin. Don't forget to spread sparkle every day. I am Haina, your Jewel Fairy.